trace I'm using is called the sliding reed flay. Now normally the reed flay trace has two hooks, one at the bottom, the one that I'm holding in my hand, and then one on a sliding little swivel that just goes up and down the shank. For the river, I normally take off the top hook, and what this trace does, it's quite a unique trace, and it's developed to actually work as a shocker bead or a shocker trace. So what happens, the fish will pick it up, and when he picks up the line, this weight will slide down the line until it hits the knot there. When it hits the knot, it basically sort of like sets the hook. That's why you get so many nice reel lines with a reed flay trace. Just one thing on putting on a ball, a lot of you asked us, please show us how to do that. What I do, I get my ball, I compact it into a shape like this. I take my trace, I pull this line quite tight, just cut this line into the ball like that, pull the weight into the ball at the bottom, and just compact the ball around the line again, and try and manipulate the weight to stay in the center of the ball on the bottom, and just like that. Then what happens, if you spin a trace like that, there mustn't be a wobble in it. If it spins true like that, you can cast it as hard as you can or as hard as you like, and you'll never cast it off. Just make sure that you compact it decently around the line. Use both your hands to do that, and voila, there we go. Spinning true, and it won't come off when you cast out. Feels like I might have a better fish here. Let's hope it's better. Got a back bite, and then as I picked up the rod, the line started to come out of the water, and I reeled into it, and the first head shake felt quite heavy, and now it's just coming again. So you never know. It's like fishing in a lucky packet. Sometimes you're happy, sometimes you're not. Oh, lovely, 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 lovely. Again, a better sized fish. It seems like these guys are going to win the day, that those bigger fish are kept out and away from our bait by these little ones. But a healthy looking fish, and just goes to show that the river is an awesome stand, and you guys can come and fish here. We're in the late autumn now, beginning of winter. The river always fishes good in winter, so come and visit this place, come and fish here, do what we did, and most probably the action will be slower, but definitely the fish will be bigger. When you're fishing a river like this and you've got a steep bank, there's no space to walk forward. Just open your bail arm, bring your rod back, don't hit anything at the back, grab onto your line, just put your policeman on, and on a slack line just let your policeman slide down, reel slowly until it reaches the place that you want it at, drop it in the water, and just pick up your line. No mess, no fuss, no need to take the canoe to put on your policeman. And you save a lot of time and energy by not walking forward.